to move footnote separator from left to right in MS Word. So if you want to move the footnote separator from left to right in your MS Word, then first you just need to simply open up your MS Word. And after opening your MS Word, you need to go with the View section. Under View, you need to go with Draft View. And under Draft View, just go with References. And here you need to go with the Footnote or Show Notes option. Once you go with Show Notes, here you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the drop down, and under drop down you need to go with Endnote Separator. Now you just need to simply select the footnote or the endnote, and you need to press Shift and the arrow keys to shift it from left to right. And after that you need to go with the View option, and under View you can go with Print Layout, and that's it. Now you will have it on the right side. That's how you can move your footnote separator from left to right in your MS Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.